608. In the interest of Kelly Callip, all parties and witnesses, please raise your right hands to be sworn. You solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, sir.
All right, please identify yourself and your relationship to the child, Kelly Callip.
Yes, Kelly Omega Caleb, father of Kelly Rochelle Caleb.
I'm
All
sorry,
right.
I'm in a court. It's not my.
Your Honor, I think this iPhone user is not party to this case. She may be here for another matter.
What's that? Okay. Where is Sims?
Okay, so this is what we needed to approach on. So, Your Honor, Ms. Sims signed the default order. She was ordered, or she was supposed to come over here, and it's been quite some time. I don't believe she's going to make an appearance on this particular Zoom. I did call her. She did not answer. And so I wanted to know if you would be opposed to us proceeding on the default. We did, so just to be candid with the court, she did. We did have issues with the certified mail to her address. And so that was not actually delivered to her address, but she made an appearance today and she agreed to this order and she signed it.
She signed the order. All right.
Yes.
We'll go forward.
Okay.
Mother appeared earlier. Mother Rochelle Sims appeared earlier and signed the order. Father present. Rose. And there's another party. Who's Randy Saucier?
He is the presumed father, and so this order is defaulting him, and I just wanted to read the terms of the order into the record.
All right, presumed father, Randy Saucier is not present. He personally served on January 9th, 2021 at 10:21 a.m. at 3910 Teal Run Place Court, Fresno, Fort Bend County, Texas. And he's not filed an answer, is that correct?
He has not, Your Honor, but he did appear on one of our hearings. He signed the paternity testing order.
Okay. And he was given further notice of the Zoom hearing. A certified mail return receipt requested. It was delivered August 7th, 2021 at 11:13 a.m. But we'll proceed as by default. Regarding the presumed father. All right.
Okay. I'd first like to read the terms of this ordering, and then I'll call Mr. Caleb.
All right.
Okay. This is a default order establishing the parent-child relationship. We were able to find that the Mr. Randy Saucer is not the biological father of Kelly Rochelle Caleb. DNA excludes him. But Mr. Kelly Omega Caleb is the biological father of the child.
Is there DNA testing for him?
Yes.
Okay, hold on a second. Court will take note the DNA test report would indicate that the alleged father, Randy Saucier, is excluded as the biological father of the tested child. And the other DNA test report, which would indicate that the alleged father, Kelly Caleb, is not excluded as the biological father of the tested child. All right.
Okay. And so we are asking that you establish the parent-child relationship between Mr. Kelly Omega Caleb and Kelly Rochelle Caleb. And between Mr. Sims and Miss Sims, and Mr. Caleb, the mother and the father of the child, they have agreed that they will be joint managing conservators, with Miss Sims being designated as the conservator with the exclusive right to designate the primary residence of the child within Harris County and contiguous counties. They've also agreed with regard to access and possession to have a standard possession order. They have agreed that Mr. Caleb will be ordered to pay child support in the amount of $216 starting September the 1st, 2021, and this is based on minimum wage. Also, Ms. Sims is maintain the child's insurance through the government medical assistance program or health plan. And Mr. Caleb will pay a cash medical amount of $57 a month starting September the 1st, 2021, and every month thereafter. Additionally, Mr. Caleb should be ordered to pay a retroactive child support amount, or he should be ordered to pay retroactive child support, and we are asking you to take a judgment in the amount of $3,456, and that is for the periods between May the 15th, 2020 and August the 26th, 2021, and that Mr. Caleb be ordered to pay that back at $36 a month starting September the 1st, 2021, and every month thereafter. Finally, the parties agreed that Mr. Caleb should be ordered to pay court costs as billed on or before October the 26th of 2021. I would like now to call my first witness.
All right.
Mr. Caleb, could you please state your name?
Yes. Kelly Omega. Kelly Omega Caleb.
Okay. Have you heard me read the terms of this order that you and Ms. Sims agreed to?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Did I read the terms per your understanding, like what you guys agreed to?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Were you able to ask anyone questions about this order?
No, ma'am.
You weren't able to ask anyone questions?
I mean,
order?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, I was offered, but I understand it.
Okay.
Are you in agreement with it, sir?
Do you believe this order is in the best interest of your child?
Yes.
Okay, I pass the witness.
Okay, the court will approve the order submitted. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Oh, thank you. Thank all y'all.
All right, you can hang up now.
All right. Thanks.
Are you handling the King Campbell
Yes.
case? All right, this is Cause number 2018-23278 in the interest of Blaze Inez King Campbell. Please raise your right hand to be sworn. All parties and witnesses, you solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
I do.
All right, ma'am, please state your name and your relationship to the child.
Ebony King. I'm the mother of Blaze Inez King Campbell.
And representing the Attorney General's office.
Kara Mitchell.
All right, cool. Note that the non-custodial parent, Father Dale DeAndre Campbell Jr. is not present. He was personally served on March 18, 2021 at 10:06 a.m. at 7405 Highway 75 South TDCJ Goree Unit in Huntsville, Walker County, Texas. He has not filed an answer. Is that correct, Ms. Mitchell?
That is correct, Your Honor.
And he was given further notice of this Zoom hearing by certified mail, return receipt requested. That was delivered 12:26 p.m. on August 6th, 2021 in Huntsville, Texas. And he has not checked in. Is that correct?
That is correct, Your Honor.
We'll proceed by default.
Okay. The court to take judicial notice of the suit for modification of support order and motion to confirm support arrearage filed December the 18th, 2020.
Okay.
And I'd also like the court to take judicial notice of the agreed child support review order, suit affecting the parent-child relationship, which is the prior order signed April the 9th, 2018.
All right.
And I would offer State's Exhibit A, the pay record in this matter.
Ms. King, have you had an opportunity to look at that pay record?
I have not. Was that sent by email by chance?
Yes, it's probably sent by email. Can you take a look at it?
Okay. Okay, I can go into my email. I know I found paperwork this morning with someone. Okay. Okay. I reviewed the information.
All right. Do you have any objection to me admitting that form into evidence?
I do not.
All right. State's Exhibit A is admitted. Go ahead, Ms. Mitchell.
Okay. I'd like to call my first witness, Ms. King. Ms. King, could you please state your name for the record?
Ebony Monique King.
Okay. And who is the child in this case?
My son.
Okay. And who is ordered to pay you child support for
Dale DeAndre Campbell Jr., his father.
Okay. And we're here to modify your prior order that was signed April the 9th, 2018. Is that correct?
It is correct.
Okay. And in that order, Mr. Campbell was ordered to pay you $215 beginning May the 1st, 2018 for child support and thereafter. Is that correct?
That's correct.
He also was ordered to pay a cash medical support of $56 a month, May the 1st, 2018, and every month thereafter. Is that correct?
That's correct.
Okay. And today we were able to confirm as of July the 31st of 2021 that Mr. Campbell is in arrears for his child support in the amount of $9,425.52. Is that correct?
That's correct.
We were also able to confirm that Mr. Campbell is in arrears for medical support in the amount of $2,380.84 as of July 31st, 2021. Is that correct?
That's correct.
Okay. Now, is Mr. Campbell, do you know where he is at this time?
Yes.
Where is he?
Incarcerated.
Okay. So going back to the child support, so are you requesting that the court take a judgment for $9,425.52 for Mr. Campbell's child support arrearage?
That's correct.
Okay. And are you asking for the court to set a payout on that amount at this time since Mr. Campbell is incarcerated?
No, I'm not.
Okay. With regard to the medical support, are you asking the court to grant a medical support judgment in the amount of $2,380.84 against Mr. Campbell for medical support? And are you asking this court to set that amount at this time?
No.
Okay. Additionally, we've looked at what Mr. Campbell is making and not making, and we've determined that he's not made anything. Are you asking this court to modify your child support down to $0 at this time?
Yes.
And also, are you asking the court to modify medical support down to $0?
Yes.
Your Honor, I pass this witness.
All right, the court will approve the order as submitted. Thank you.
Okay.
Ms. Mitchell? Ms. Mitchell?
Yes.
Probably the best way, you need to rephrase that. Are you asking the court to grant, zero child support?
I know it's horrible.
Well, okay, I think what you should say something like, because of the father's incarceration, you understand that the child support will now be $0.
Okay.
Something
and
like
not
that.
asking if they're asking for
As
it.
opposed to asking them, are you asking for it to be $0?
I know. It always gives them a pause. You're like,
Yes, it does. So that might be the best. Do you understand that the order, because of the father's incarceration, that the child support amount now will be $0? Do you understand? Ask them if they understand that, as opposed to, are they asking that? Okay.
I know. Okay. Thank you.
All right. Yes, ma'am.
I'll be back on something else, I'm sure.
Okay. Let's see, who's got Oliphant? Miss Williams?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, this call number 2013-55513 in the interest of Duruna Oliphant. All parties and witnesses, please raise your right hands to be sworn. You solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes.
All right, ma'am, please state your name and your relationship to the child.
Haley Robinson. I'm her mother.
All right, and representing the state of Texas.
Jarquita Williams for the state, Your Honor.
Court will note that the non-custodial parent is DeAnthony Walker. Mr. Walker was personally served on January 18th, 2021 at 8:25 a.m. at 307 Avalon Street, Diboll, Angelina County, Texas. He's not filed an answer, is that correct?
That's correct, Your Honor.
He was further given notice of this Zoom hearing by certified mail, return receipt requested. That was delivered on 2:10 p.m. on August 7th, 2021 in Diboll, Texas. And he has not made an appearance. Is that correct?
That's correct, Your Honor.
We'll proceed by default.
Your Honor, I will ask the court to take judicial notice of the agreed child support review order, suit affecting the parent-child relationship, which was signed on September 17th, 2013.
All right.
At, and Your Honor, the state would also like to offer the state's Exhibit A into evidence, and it is the record in this matter.
All right. Ms. Robinson, have you had an opportunity to look at that pay record?
Yes.
Do you have any objections to me looking at it and admitting it into evidence?
No.
All right. State's Exhibit A is admitted.
Okay. Your Honor, the state would like to its first witness, Ms. Robinson.
All right.
Ms. Robinson, what is your relationship to the child?
I'm her mother.
Okay. And Ms. Walker, today you understand that we were here to modify support in this case, but the state is non-suiting the modification portion of this
Yes.
petition. And Ms. Robinson, are you aware that today we confirmed that Mr. Walker is in arrears for child support as of July 31st, 2021, in the amount of $14,420.25?
Yes, ma'am.
And are you asking this court to order a monthly payout at $122 towards this judgment?
Yes.
And I'm asking this court to take a judgment of the $14,420.25 that Mr. Walker is in arrearage.
Yes.
Okay, and are you aware that based off of the financial reports that the cash medical judgment is $2,799.51?
Yes.
And are you asking the court to grant a judgment in that manner, in that amount?
Yes.
And are you asking this court to order a payout monthly towards that medical judgment of $64 beginning September 1st, 2021?
Yes.
And again, Ms. Walker, you're aware that the state is non-suiting its request for the modification of the child support order.
Yes.
And Ms. Walker, you are aware that monthly you will continue to receive the amount of $225 as was ordered in the previous order on October 1st, 2013?
Yes.
And are you also aware that Mr. Walker will continue to pay the $70 for cash medical support as was awarded in the previous order on September 17th, 2013?
Yes.
Well, we don't know if he'll continue to pay it, but he is still ordered to pay those amounts. You understand that, Ms. Robinson?
Yes, sir.
All right.
And are you asking the court to grant this default judgment, Ms. Robinson?
Yes, ma'am.
No further questions for this witness, Your Honor.
All right. The court will approve the order as submitted.
Thank you, Your Honor. May we be excused?